Hello guys, so today I'm going to be reacting to this video called Continuous Large to Mini Explosions in Stack the Countries Pile Up. This is where the giant explosion is going to be, right here at 3 minutes 49 seconds to the video. Yeah, that's where the giant explosion is going to be. So, can we start the video? Yeah, let's do it. Oh my gosh! Look at all the countries! Oh, it's lagging. Oh my gosh! Was that Barbados just flying out? Another 2 countries? Okay, this is like laggy. Like, look at this! Oh my gosh! Sorry, that was loud. By the way, was that South Africa just flying to space? I just want to know why. Oh, Monaco just hit the ground. Oh my gosh! Angola just went bouncing off my... Oh my gosh! What was that? Holy God! Like, what is this? Jesus Christ! What is this? Oh my gosh! Why is there 4 countries on the top? On the top right corner. Why is there Morocco, the United Kingdom, Seychelles, and Mauritius stuck together and shaking? I just want to know why. Holy gosh! So Montenegro is just gonna watch the countries explode? Oh my gosh, Cambodia just went up there. Whoa, now he went down. Ugh. The sounds are just repeating. That's funny. Like, what is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, so first of all, why is there 3 Turkmenistans? And why was there 2 Bangladesh? And why is there so many countries? Like, they almost displayed all the countries there. So, I gotta pause the video there. So, I gotta tell you something. So, in real life, the world has all 197 countries in the world. But in Stack the Countries, it has 193 countries. That's crazy. So we'll just continue the video. Uh-oh. I just like how the sounds are just repeating. Oh my gosh, it's getting funnier. Oh my gosh, the Gambia. Oh my gosh! Whoa! Uh-oh, I guess the giant explosion is gonna occur pretty soon. Uh-oh. Giant explosion in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! That was a giant explosion. No, that was like an explosion 3 times bigger than a normal explosion. Jesus Christ. Oh my gosh, what was that? Sorry, that was loud. Okay, well, the video is now peaceful now. I think. Sort of. Kind of. Okay, so now the countries are just now jumping inside the little area. Yeah, I just want to know. Like, these countries are just now bouncing inside of the area. It's kind of like a bouncy castle. Like, sort of. Oh, and also Norway is just shaking now. And also, why is there United Arab Emirates and Haiti on top of there? On the floating, you know, like, the floating, like, on top of these things here. Excuse me? Oh, Monaco just went out. So, I just want to get why is there a giant explosion in 3 minutes, 49 seconds to the video? Excuse me again. Okay. Yeah, I just want to get why Norway is just shaking. Okay, now the countries are just jumping up now. Okay, so why is there Macedonia inside of Colombia? And why is there 2 of them? And Bolivia just also not bounced, but jumped. But I just want to know why there was a giant explosion there. That's actually crazy. So this is the end of the video. So we gotta wrap up this video and see you guys later. Bye.